we would like some people to be involved with the execution of the event. That is on the 21st. So if you are to be there on 21st, we'll have to brief you and start working with you from now onwards, from Monday onwards. So final event execution is one assignment. The second one is the pre-event buzz online. Using our app, using our existing Facebook page and any other ideas that you people have, if you are very conversant and good at digital media, then you can choose that. Then we have decided that we'll do two things. There'll be a motorcade of bikes a few days, maybe about 4 or 5 days before the main event, which will travel from one main area where all the colleges are to another area. So about 50 to 100 bikes with the Arena 1 flags will move in a pre-decided route and touch X number of colleges to create awareness of the fest for the final day. Uh, Now that is one. Then to push app downloads is another task. And I have read a lot of your feedback on what would you want to do in terms of the CSR activity, the social responsibility activity. Most of you have spoken about poverty, child education, and such things. While I respect your thoughts and ideas, all of the ideas that have come are really very good, very much required. Uh, but the thing is that we would like to bounce off something that we have thought of, based on the fact that we should take something which can show an impact. Now, poverty is something which you and I, in a year's time, will not be able to eradicate. Am I right? Though that's maybe closest to our heart, maybe that is what we want to do. But it will take a while, it will take a long time. We can keep that also parked near us somewhere. The other one was about the girl child. And somebody spoke about Swachh Bharat, a couple of you. What I was thinking was that recently you people have seen what has been happening in Delhi and Bombay. Bombay, the schools were closed down because of the smog that was coming out of the garbage that was burning in piles, which ran into a couple of acres of land. And children were suffering because the fire could not be put off. It was still burning even yesterday, today I haven't checked. For days together, can you imagine a garbage pile where fire engines are not able to douse the fire and it is burning continuously for days together? What is it doing to our environment? Second thing is that recently we've also seen in Delhi they had to close down traffic in cars on both days. They've got alternate numbers and number plates because the amount of pollution that was there was endangering the very life of especially younger children, children from infants to about 8 to 10 years of age. Almost 30 to 40% were coming up with asthma and all these kind of respiratory distress. So looking at that, and recently also, how many of you know that in the Pacific Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean, there is a garbage pile inside, below the ocean. There is a current which sweeps them to go and collect in another part of the world. Because these are not biodegradable things. So now what happens? I mean, as we keep dumping plastics, as we keep using, every day we use either a bottle of plastic or a pouch of plastic or something or the other. Each one of us is using. So where will all this go? It's not biodegradable. It cannot disappear. It is going to sit somewhere. Either the animals are going to eat it and suffer. And in fact, this article that I read about is that, the plastic and the garbage we are throwing is coming back on our plate in some manner. Like the fishes in the ocean are taking this unknowingly. Even I've come to know that even buffaloes and cows, when they're grazing, even in villages, the plastics you will find everywhere. So even those are being eaten, and then end of the day, what is happening? All this is very carcinogenic. That is the reason you see now that earlier cancer was coming to people, somebody somewhere has cancer. Today within families, you know, somebody within our close family, within our close friends, within the neighborhood has got cancer. Why is it spread so much? The cause is plastic. The cause is simply plastic and nothing else. Okay, so we thought at Sakshi that now suppose we keep complaining that government is not doing anything, somebody is not doing anything. Does it matter to anybody? It doesn't. Who is it going to affect? Us and our future generations. What are we going to leave behind for the generations to come? Earth full of garbage. So at the end of the day, doesn't the earth belong to each one of us? Is it not our earth? It's our earth. So if each one of us can think on the lines that it's our earth and start working in a small manner in trying to tell people the fact that plastic is carcinogenic, that they should not store water in it and keep drinking for months together. See, the Coke bottle or the Sprite bottle is supposed to be used once and thrown away. People don't know. They keep those bottles. They also buy other kind of plastic bottles and then they keep using it for water for months together, not knowing that carcinogens are moving from the plastic into the water that they are drinking. So what happens? At the end of the day, small children, elder people, younger people, people of all ages, they are getting some or the other kind of disease or cancer or trouble. Second thing is, animals are suffering. At least human beings can go and get ourselves treated. What about the animals? Cancer, dogs are getting cancer. We never heard dogs getting cancer. They're getting cancer because of human beings. Not that the dogs did any mistake, right? The marine life is suffering. The plants are suffering. The trees are suffering. Everything is going haywire. And if we contribute to creating awareness about the fact that this is my earth, it is my responsibility. It's not somebody else's responsibility. So in my own way, whatever I can do, I should do. So this is what I thought we should do. What do you have to say about it? Keep doing some activity around it every month till the next Arena 1 where we announce the next initiative. So I want your feedback on what do you feel about this?
Thank you.
Anybody?
We have many ideas like poverty, dowry, etc. And this one is actually out of the box. We can actually work on it and do more of the awareness programs. And most of the time, I have even observed many of my family members or many of my relatives, they also use the same bottles, not only for months, for years.
Yes, correct.
So I think it's a good idea. We should spread awareness on this particularly.
Yeah. No, apart from plastics, is where because we've built all these buildings, the water is not going back into the ground. So even when we are, they are boring wells, there's so many ways by which tree planting is another thing. We are only cutting off trees. We don't know what to do further. There's millet, whatever you're eating, there is definitely a pesticide or there is some fertilizer that we are intaking. So imagine what is happening to the younger lot when small children, fruit that you need or all the vegetables that you need. But imagine each one grows something or the other, which is not with pesticide, which is not with insecticide. Then what happens? We make a change, right? So these are the different things. So the bigger thing is it's my earth, and under that there are so many things, whether it is water conservation, whether it is conserving power, whether it is campaign against usage of plastics or anything. You can, I have said so many, you might come up with some more, right? So it's a big platform where I believe that all of you can input and make an impact. Okay, so whoever thinks that they want to be a part of this year-long initiative can put your hands up for that. And then the last but not the least is the tickets promotion to ensure that we get enough people attending the first edition of Arena 1. So there are entry tickets which are priced at about 150 rupees, not for you all. You all can come there because you are ambassadors. But this is meant for people who are not ambassadors and who want to attend the event. So since you have your bands, you won't be asked anything. So you can wear your bands and come for anything. Okay, so these are the 6 different tasks I have spoken about. So I'll just repeat: event execution, pre-event buzz, online, motorcade, victory march, and the motorcade is pre-event to create awareness across colleges. You take bikes, 50, 100, whatever numbers, and then they will have flags and you go around in all these colleges. Some of you can even take 2 or 3. There's no issue about that. You want to be part of two initiatives, that is also fine. But just look at your time schedules and then see if you want to be a part of 2. And then you have the app promotion, then you have the cause, and then the tickets promotion. And just one thing, I think we have some incentive on tickets